Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Sanford Khan, business author, speaker. The title of this YouTube presentation is Socialism Equals the New Slavery. If you get something from this video, and I sure hope you do, appreciate if you could hit the like symbol, that's the thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel. I guess the feel-good definition, or the politically correct definition of socialism is a form of government where everybody works to make everybody feel good and happy and well off. Well, that may be the feel-good definition of socialism, but it is far from the correct definition of socialism. The correct definition of socialism is a form of government where the government controls in total or in large measure the three factors of production. The three factors of production, which are land, labor, and capital. I'll repeat that again. Land, labor, and capital. If the government controls these three factors of production in total or in large measure, then you, as a citizen, as a worker, are either at best a serf of government or a slave. That's what socialism is. I think Hayek, I think he wrote a book in the 1940s called The Road, I think it was called The Road to Serfdom. And he labeled socialism, and I agree with it, socialism is equal to slavery. The government owns you and controls you. If you value your freedoms and your liberties, which you should, it is definitely not a form of government, not only for the United States, but for any country. Eventually, you will become enslaved. Nothing stays the same. Nothing stays the same. No matter what politicians promise, nothing stays the same. It'll always degrade. It'll always go back to an extreme. Choose your liberties and freedoms and stay free. I think I spoke long enough. Like I said at the beginning, if you got something from this video, appreciate you can hit the like symbol and subscribe to my channel. Stay well and stay free. Take care. I'll see you again. Bye now.